Heart-healthy foods. Welcome back to Healthline Champions, your source for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of heart-healthy foods. We all know the saying, you are what you eat. But when it comes to your heart, it's especially important. First up on our list of heart-healthy foods is the almighty avocado. Packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados can help lower bad cholesterol levels. Next, let's talk about the humble oatmeal. Not just for breakfast, oatmeal is a great source of soluble fiber, which can help reduce cholesterol. Moving on to one of everyone's favorites, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate can actually be good for your heart. Rich in antioxidants, dark chocolate can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Now, let's not forget about the power of leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are all packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These greens can help reduce inflammation and improve overall heart health. Who knew eating your greens could be so delicious and beneficial? Up next, we have the versatile and tasty salmon. Loaded with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, salmon can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Whether grilled, baked, or smoked, adding salmon to your diet is a great choice. Speaking of omega-3 fatty acids, let's talk about walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are not only delicious but also great for your heart. Packed with omega-3s and antioxidants, walnuts can help improve heart health. Looking for a heart-healthy snack option? Reach for a handful of almonds. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. These little nuts can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. And of course, who can forget the magical properties of olive oil? Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet. Regular consumption of olive oil has been linked to lower rates of heart disease. So, next time you're cooking up a storm in the kitchen, reach for the olive oil. And there you have it, a list of delicious and heart-healthy foods to incorporate into your diet. Remember, taking care of your heart is one of the most important things you can do for your overall health. Thanks for tuning in to Healthline Champions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips, tricks, and humor. Stay healthy, stay safe, and see you next time.